Get ready to experience the future of content creation with our incredible series of samples made using artificial intelligence. This is not just any ordinary collection. These are stunning examples that showcase the limitless potential of AI in video production. Imagine being able to create captivating videos for all your needs, whether for Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. With this powerful AI tool, you can generate high-quality content that stands out and attracts attention. Plus, it's a fantastic opportunity to boost your income while doing what you love. And the best part, this amazing AI is completely free to use. All it takes is a little experimentation, and you'll be amazed at what you can create. Want to see it in action? Check out the 2 sample videos linked in the description below to get inspired and see what's possible. If you're excited about harnessing the power of AI for your content creation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments. We can't wait to see what you'll create.